Hi dear students, welcome again in today's session. I am going to discuss about trick to remember periodic table. This is modern periodic table given by Moseley, which consists of 7 horizontal rows. We call it periods. Similarly, there are 18 vertical columns are present. We call it groups. So there are 7 periods and 18 groups are present in modern periodic table. So how many groups and periods are present in modern periodic table? This is the question which are asked in examination students. In today's session, I am going to tell you excellent trick to remember periodic table. On the basis of electronic configuration, modern periodic table is divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. These are S block elements. In S block elements, group first and group second are included. To remember of group first elements, trick is Helena knows to play rugby, chess and football. I repeat, Helena knows to play rugby, chess and football. So, S for hydrogen, Li for lithium, Na for sodium, K for potassium, Rb for rubidium, Cs small letter cesium and Fr for francium. Similarly, trick for group second elements is because multi-talented captains have better rating. I repeat, because multi-talented captains have better rating. So elements are Be for beryllium, Mg for magnesium, Ca for calcium, Sr for strontium, Ba for barium and last Ra for radium. Similarly, these are P block elements. Group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 are included in P block. To remember these group, trick for group 13 elements is Bal Ganesh in Thailand. Bal Ganesh in Thailand. Trick for group 14 elements, chemistry sir gives serious problems. Trick for group 15 elements, newspaper used as superb books. Trick for group 16 elements is only small size telephones is powerful. Trick for group 17 elements, first class biryani in Australia. Trick for 18 groups, Hina, Nina, Aarti, Karina, Gina and Reena. So elements of group 13 are B for boron, Al for aluminium, Ga for gallium, In for indium, Tl for thallium. Similarly, group of 14 elements are C for carbon, Si for silicon, Ge for germanium, Sn for tin, Pb for lead. Elements of 15 group are nitrogen for N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus, As for arsenic, Bi for bismuth. Similarly, elements of group 16 is O for oxygen, S for sulfur, Fe for selenium, Te for tellurium, Po for polonium. Group 17 elements are F for fluorine from Trix, Cl for chlorine, Br from bromine, I for iodine, At for astatine. And last group of p block elements is group 18, which is also called zero group. So elements are He for helium, Ne for neon, Ar for argon, Kr for krypton, Xe for xenon, and Rn for radon. These are d block elements. To remember these elements in d block, group 3 to 12 are included in d block. Here we shall learn periodically to D and F block elements, not in group wise. Very important. I repeat, here we shall learn periodically to D and F block elements, not in groups. So, to remember these periods of D block, one by one we take trick for each period. So, trick for fourth period is in D block elements. Steve Jobs was the chairman of Apple Computers with nice customers in Zimbabwe. Trick for period 5. Your zebra and monkey traveling like real passengers from Agra to Canada. Trick for period 6 elements is high tension wires used on industrial plots and highways. And seventh period, which is uncompleted period. So trick for 7 period elements is R.D. Sharma book have maths difficult sums with reactions. And elements of D block is period 4. Elements are Sc for scandium, Ti for titanium, V for vanadium, Cr for chromium, Mn for manganese, Fe for iron, Co, O small letter, cobalt, Ni for nickel, Cu for copper, Zn for zinc. Similarly, elements of period 5 in D block are Y for yttrium, Zr for zirconium, Mb for niobium, Mo for molybdenum, Tc for tactinum, Ru for ruthenium, Rs for rhodium, Pd for palladium, Ag for silver, and Cd for cadmium. Elements of period 6 in D block are S for hafnium, Ta for tantalum, W for tungsten, Re for rhenium, Os for osmium, Ir for iridium, Au for gold, and Sc for mercury. Similarly, elements of period 7 are Rf for rutherfordium, Db dubnium, Ag for seaborgium, Bh for bohrium, Hs for hafnium, Mt for meitnerium, Dh for dermastadium, Rg for rhomdazinium. Similarly, these are A block elements seventh period, sixth and seventh, these elements are included in sixth and seventh periods. These are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. These elements are included in a block. These are placed at the bottom of the modern periodic table. To remember a block elements, trick for first series or 4F series or lanthanoids is ladies can't put nickels properly in slot machines. Every girl tries daily. However, every time you look. Similarly, trick for second series or for 5F series or actinoid series is the Punjab University newspaper published that American came back carefully, easily from moon, nobody left. Elements of a block are, firstly we read 4F series or lanthanoid series. CE for cerium, PR for praseodymium, ND for neodymium, PM for promethenium, SM for samarium, EU for europium, GD for gadolinium, TB for terbium, DY for dysprosium, HO for holinium, ER for erbium, TM for thulium, YB for ytterbium, and LU for lutetium. Similarly, elements of 5 series or actinoids are TH for thorium, PA for protactinium, U for uranium, NH for neptunium, PU for plutonium, AM for americum, CM for curium, BK for berkelium, CF for californium, ES for einsteinium, FM for fermium, MD for mendeleunium, NO for nobelium, and LR for lawrencium. I hope you have understood to this excellent trick to remember periodic table. Thanks for watching.